Indian markets continue to show extreme volatility with range-bound trading. We believe that in spite of the global favorable factors, domestic market will continue to remain range-bound and extremely volatile in the near future. This is predominantly on the back of the fact that the spread of COVID hasn't yet been arrested. Of course, there are some green shoots and visible sign of the pace of the spread getting reduced. But overall, we haven't yet seen any major relief. The vaccine and the vaccination also has slowed down and yet to pick up pace. Expectations are that within about a month and a half, hopefully the vaccination pace will pick up. Currently, the state of lockdowns, semi-lockdowns are affecting economic activity. Pretty much all over India, there are some kind of lockdown or the other, which is disrupting normal economic activity. There are downgrades on economic forecasts happening on a regular basis. And under the circumstances, the investors are extremely careful and cautious while investing in Indian markets. This is getting pretty much reflected in what's happening in the market. At every higher level, there is selling pressure, which is coming, and it's natural under the circumstances. In spite of these uncertainties, of course, the market has shown certain amount of resilience. Corporate results have been by and large decent. This is due to the fact that Q4 last fiscal was an excellent quarter. Barring little bit of challenges coming towards the end of March, it was a good quarter, and that's getting reflected in the corporate earnings. Corporate earnings are giving the markets some relief. However, there is a cautious attitude, which is the theme as of now in the market. We would advise investors to remain cautious and careful while picking up stocks. There are certain sectors which fundamentally and for long term does look extremely good. Let's say chemicals, pharmaceuticals, IT, healthcare. However, the valuations in these sectors have reached a level where probably taking exposure at this point in time may not be recommended. We continue to like solid companies with strong fundamentals focused on domestic economy to gain once these COVID wave subsides. We recommend investors to look at companies like HDFC Limited, which came out with an excellent set of numbers, and we believe it will continue to outperform other housing finance and NBFC peers. And HDFC can be bought at current level with a target of 3,000. Similarly, the leading bank in the country, SBI, looks good at current levels and can be bought for a target of 450 over a period of 1 year. So does construction and oil to chemicals major Reliance. Of course, Reliance is much beyond oil to chemicals. It's got telecom, it's got JioMart, retail. So Reliance can be bought for a target of 2,300. Larsen, domestic construction behemoth, can be bought for a target of 1,600. We believe that these bets in Indian economy should work wonders once things stabilize as far as the second wave of virus is concerned. Investors should continue to bet on India's story, should continue to take the opportunity of market correction to build long-term portfolio.